I'm online mathematics and physics tutor Engr.Muhammad Rizwan. Here we have two figures A and B. We will see 180-degree rotation about origin. Here is the origin, and first step we will see the coordinates of figure A. I suppose this is A point, this is B point, and this is C point. We will see the coordinates of A. You can see that A coordinates are -6, 1, and C. B coordinates C. B is here, and X value is -3 and B value is 4. X coordinate is -3 and B coordinate is 4. And C. C coordinates, X value is -3 and Y coordinate is 1. Okay. So A, B, C. In 180-degree rotation, we will not change X into Y and Y into X. We will write same. A 6/1 and B prime 3/4, C prime 3/1. Okay. When we are doing 180-degree rotation about origin, the figure will be in opposite. After rotation, 180-degree rotation, figure will be in opposite quadrant. For example, this is a second quadrant, this is a second quadrant, and figure will move to opposite quadrant, which is fourth quadrant. Okay. In fourth quadrant, we already know that X value is positive and Y value is negative. So we will write the sign according to the quadrant. Okay. So X value will be positive and Y value will be negative. According to the quadrant, I will write the sign -3. Okay. -1, -4, -1. Because in figure from second quadrant, it will move to fourth quadrant. Okay. So now I draw the figure. A prime is 6 minus 1, 6 minus 1, this is the point, 1 point. A prime is here, and now B is 3 comma minus 4, this is B prime, and C prime is 3 comma minus 1, is C prime. So I will join this is our figure after rotation. For B figure, we will also see the coordinates. Okay. For B coordinates of B, figure B, I suppose this is A point, this is B point, C, and this is D. Okay. A point coordinate, you can see -8 and -3. Okay. -8, -3. B coordinates are -2 and -3. C coordinates are -8 and -6. And D coordinates are, so you can see D is here, -2 comma -6. So in when there is 180-degree rotation, what will be the new coordinates of new figure? Okay. A prime, I will write same coordinates, and after this we will write the sign according to quadrant. Okay. See, uh, we see that our figure is in third quadrant. Okay. So when we are doing 180-degree rotation, either clockwise or anti-clockwise, the location is same. So we will simply say 180-degree rotation. We are not saying anti-clockwise and clockwise, because if you are doing clockwise rotation, the location is here. If you are doing anti-clockwise rotation, the location is here. Okay, so we simply say that 180-degree rotation about origin, because either clockwise and anti-clockwise it is same. So after, in 180-degree rotation, figure will if figure will be in opposite quadrant, so it is third quadrant, its opposite quadrant is first quadrant. Okay, so I will draw this figure by using different color. A, A prime coordinates are 8 comma 3, 8 comma 3 here. This is A prime. B prime are 2 comma 3. This is B prime. And C prime is 8 comma 6. This is C prime. D prime is 2 comma 6. This is D prime. I will join A with B, B with A with B, and A with C. Okay, according to figure, A with B and A with C, and then join B with D, B with D, and I will also join B with D, and you can see that C and D are connected, so I will join here. Okay, this is A, this is A prime.